Hello and welcome to Violet Connie Art. Today I have for you a unboxing and swatching video. So I got this Schmincke watercolor set from my local art shop. It was the last one there, and I found out since that this tin was a limited edition. This is the Academy set of watercolors from Schmincke. It's the student grade. I've not had Schmincke watercolors before, and I've not had watercolors that come in these cute little pans. I've always had the tube paints that I put into pans. So it was nice unwrapping each one of these little packages. So the first color I got in this was a light lemon yellow. I've had lemon yellow before, but not a light lemon yellow. The number for it was PV16, I think, if it was rubbed off. And another color I didn't have was Indian yellow. It was made up of two pigments, PY110 and PY154. Most of these colors I actually haven't had before. So there was a carmine red hue, and it was made up of pigment PR255. And then there was the carmine. Now this is PV19, so what I know from Daniel Smith to be the permanent rose. There was ultramarine, and I've had that before, and it was a very lightly granulating color, whereas in other brands it is much more granulating. Each of these colors were really nice to use. Prussian blue I don't have, and it's beautiful color, PB27. There was this brilliant green, PG7. There was a permanent green, which was PO62 and PG7. After a while I started to take the cases off and just show them in one go, and it was much easier. So it was the light ochre, PY42. An English red, I don't have that, is PR101. A sepia, which I've got in Winsor & Newton, which is made up of a few different pigments. PB15, PBR7 and PBK6. And last but not least is the black, which is PBK6. So I started out by putting a glob of water on each of the pans, and I don't think I really needed to do that. These reactivated much easier than any of the tube paints that I've let dry out. They were beautiful to use and just made me excited to want to paint again. And I found them to be really quite pigmented, and I wonder what the Horodam artist grade ones would be like, because these were very much on par with the artist quality Winsor & Newton and Daniel Smith that I've tried. I have tried the Cotman set from the Winsor & Newton and their student grade, and these are so much better than the Cotman series, I found. Because I'm very new to watercolor, I have a very limited amount of watercolors available to me, and so it was nice to get a whole bunch that I didn't have before and use them alongside of my Daniel Smith and Winsor & Newton and Core watercolors that I have. When I finished swatching all of these out, I actually cut out each of the labels from the little packages, and I glued them into my watercolor moleskin, my little pocket moleskin, and then I also swatched them out into that, and I'll show a picture of that in this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.